Welcome to Saisha's Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see the second view, that is a projection view. In the previous lecture, we have seen the database view. Let us see what is the projection view. Basically, very first, let us see what is a projection view. A projection view is created on a single table, and in the projection view, we can read and maintain the data. Whereas, as we saw in the database view, we cannot maintain the data, we can only read the data. And the advantage of a projection view is that we can project only a required limited fields by filtering the unwanted fields. And as a projection view is created on a single table, so it can read also and maintain also the data. And as comparing to the database point of view, projection view improves the system performance because it has a minimum number of fields. So by comparing database view and projection view, the performance of a projection view is more good than the database view because there are minimum numbers of fields in the projection view, and projection view is created on a single table. So let us see the steps to create a projection view. Let us consider a situation like we want to create a projection view on a Mara table, that is a standard table, with the fields as MATNR, MTART, MBRSH and MEINS. So very first go to the Tcode SE11, select the view button and give the view name as we have provided ZView1. Thereafter click on a create button. Then we will get this type of screen which will ask us to choose a view type. So we are creating a projection view. Click on the projection view and copy. Click on the copy button. Then thereafter provide a short description and give the table name and provide all the fields of that table. Then click on a maintenance status tab and select read and change radio button, and then save, check and activate the table. Click on the content icon, provide the content and execute the data. Our projection view will get generated. So these are the very easy steps to create a projection view. So in the next lecture we are going to see about an help view.